Let's start.
Morning.
Good morning.
What's happening?
Not much. Just gonna get ready to get the levels down so you guys can see it. And it looks like Onisha and Henry did not wake up.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna try calling Onisha anyways. See.
Let me get you the levels, bro. Don't worry about it.
Well, I technically already did them, but I couldn't help. Fuck you. I couldn't help myself.
I couldn't help myself.
Yeah.
Okay, we're using the View app, bro.
We are
No,
not.
it's a long move.
Your call has been.
No, yeah, we are.
We are
No,
not.
yeah, we are.
Oh, dude,
Yeah.
I nailed the levels again. Alpha just put them up.
Ew.
Ew.
Okay, what'd you get?
Fuck you.
Ew.
Okay.
Ew, I nailed.
Shut the hell up. Fuck you, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I'm just fixing this
What
up.
did you get?
Here. Watch my stream. Okay. Because we got like 12 minutes, so. Flirting with the. Okay. So, everyone, this is what we're gonna do. So, this is how I got my levels for today. I looked at the daily again. God, this looks so bad. Okay. There's too many lines. Okay, so. As you can see, it kind of popped off yesterday all the way up here, and now it rejected all the way back down to this support line, which I have, let me see. However, we are not going to use this support, and I'll show you why. Okay. And then we go back to the 4 hour because we got to go through all the timelines just to see what's going on. So
that does look disgusting.
yeah, wow. I know the lines, but I had to make something in between. So check it out. Let me see. What did I do here? Okay, so here you can't really see too much. I can just see again that it's trying to kind of do something over here. And go to the 1 hour. I think I saw it on the 30-minute and the 5-minute, I believe. So I did use the 5-minute for this one. So as you can see here, it's kind of within this same area. So that's what I was looking at. And then if you go, yeah, pretty much like this whole area over here. It's kind of rejecting. This is where it popped off the most. This is the lowest area. However, we're not going to use that because that's too big of a gap still. So when I went to the 5-minute, you can see here that it's kind of floating around here. And you can see that it kind of rejected this like 3 times. So right here, let me zoom in. Got it. Okay, like around here, you got near like 133, and then here it is again, and then it did it again over here, that 132.93, and then since it's kind of floating in this area, it already broke this support and it's kind of going on a range in between it. We're not going to use it. Right? So, and then you can see it bouncing off here, and then here, and then here again. So there's like 3 signs that it's just bouncing off of that level on this on pre-market. So I ended up using the 131.04 and then for puts, and then 132.96 for calls. So that's what we're going to be sticking with.
Nice. 131.96.
Huh? What? 132.
Calls you said, or for puts?
132.90.
32. I completely dyslexia'd.
It's all good. It's all good. And actually, I'm gonna bring this 96 to like a 93. There we go.
Ridiculous.
Yeah, I used the 30-minute, the 200 EMA for that at the time, which it's at like 130. we got some stuff, but nothing that should affect the market too crazy. Let me see if anything has been said. No, nothing new. So we're just
Wait a
here.
minute. Oh, come on.
What?
I got roped in by an advertisement email because I got like the VIP membership for Roadrunner, like the shoes and stuff.
Nice.
And it's like, VIP, get an apparel item on us. And I'm like, ooh. And I, like a sucker, I clicked it. And it's like, yeah, buy 2 of like these brand items and you get a 3rd one for free. Yeah, no.
That's funny. Can I input this? Oh yeah, I can. Okay, cool. Cool. I'm gonna try executing trades here. I will try it today. All right. See if we can get some more traction today or something. But while we're waiting for like 4 minutes, I was playing this. Let me know if you could hear it. Hold on.
Oh, he did a version of that in a sentimental mood?
Yeah, he has like a bunch of versions. One when he was like a teenager, and then this one's when he's older. But
yeah, that's 2, bro. It's not really a bunch.
He has like another version, but this version's really good. Oh, that line, man. Probably just leave this running
Quite nice.
in the background.
I can't hear it that well, so actually I'm gonna just pop it in my ear.
Oh.
I mean, I heard it well enough to know that you're playing something, but then Mike's kind of picking it up, kind of not.
Okay.
For me.
It's all good. We need to figure out how to
In a semi.
get my audio working a little
Ella
bit better.
Fitzgerald.
Because I feel like I'm a little quiet or something. Because like I'm talking, but it doesn't look like my Mac is picking it up. Let me see.
Oh, the sensitivity. I'm getting the red.
Here, let me try talking. Oh no, I mean it's fine. I could hear it fine. But let me see something here.
Is this a jazz standard or something? So why does everyone have a version?
It is a jazz standard.
Yeah, Ella Fitzgerald.
Yeah.
Goodman, Sonny Rollins,
Yeah.
Chet Booker.
Chet Booker.
Miller.
Yo, 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 yo. Okay, let me see if that's not too loud. Yo. Okay, let me see if that's not too loud. Yo. Okay, let me see if that's not too loud. Yo. Yo, 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 yo. Hello, hello. Okay, I might just leave it like that. I'm gonna turn off those Discord notifications too. Actually, I don't really know how. You there, bro?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. I do not know how to mute
I'm just listening to
Discord.
Spotter.
All right. Here we are. We're about to start. Got one little bit less than a minute till market open. A little bit less than a minute. Oh, and market has opened.
Why do I know Peter Fuggle slang?
I don't know who that is.
Hey, bro. Chris Potter's really overplaying this. He's really not knowing how to just jive with the other players.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
That's good. He's good.
Look at these.
What is it?
Look at these volatility.
Oh god.
Let's go to puts here. Let me go 20. Not. Let's not do 1 day.
Are you getting in already?
No. I'm just setting it up.
Quite nice.
Okay. You already know what to do, bro. You know exactly what to do. So you know that I'm not in.
You never know, bro. You never know. I feel like you get in sneaky sometimes.
That's Joshua, bro. He literally was like, "Oh, my undisclosed
You give
position."
me false levels.
He said my undisclosed position.
One time I got in and I didn't tell you guys. I was like, yeah, I'm probably gonna luck out. And then I lost like $60. I was like, okay, I'm not gonna say
You mean
anything
yesterday?
about this. No, it was another time, like a while ago.
Oh shit.
So that was nice.
Wait, is this thing not moving or something? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna have to. Do something like this. Okay, we're breaking levels right here. Let's see if it doesn't fake out on us. It's a lot of volatility. 5 minute, we're looking okay. Did I even execute the option? Okay.
Is this the one?
It might be, yeah. We'll see what happens on this candle.
Remember when you called me yesterday saying that the stock can go one of two ways, basically? And you said basically you can go up or down.
Shut the hell up.
And that's what you said boiled down to?
Oh my god.
I forgot all of the pointers you gave me yesterday. I just remember, yeah, so it could go like, we see this, it can continue to go up, but like it can also go down.
Oh my god, I'll kill you, bro. Okay, how do I execute the order though? What the fuck? I'm not trying to yet. I'm just trying to see how the hell.
Wait, you're getting a okay. Yeah, I kind of like Joshua's little, because he uses Robinhood, and he can't do like those trades in the first 15 minutes, and I kind of like that actually.
Nah.
Because what is this?
Okay, I'm not understanding why it's not showing up for buying. What is this? It's looking like it might break down again. Well, let's see. Let me. Let's not ignore the MACD because I've been kind of ignoring the MACD.
What does the MACD show?
They're the volume bars. It tells you like the buyers and sellers, and when there's a lot of them, or a little bit, or if it's reversing. It's this area right here, if you can see it. Oh, it looks like we're heading back down again. Wow, that's a huge fucking candle. All right, Eric.
Who the goddamn is my MACD?
I think it's time.
We logging and loading?
It's time in a little bit. I'm seeing what's happening now. All right.
It's not confirmation. Like Chris Potter.
I think it's pretty much, yeah. All right, I'm locking and loading.
This is a bad move, but I'm doing it too.
Locking and loading here.
Safety's off. We're clear to engage.
Here we go. Making the drop. Yeah. Yeah, we got a lot of sellers here. Okay.
What did you buy in at?
Like right around 130.15. I should have gotten it more at the top when I saw it starting to decline, but I did not.
I should mute myself when I clear my throat, but I'm
It doesn't matter.
I'm not gonna do that.
You're fine, bro.
Shit, I found the MACD. Why is it in a little separate? Okay, whatever. It's down there all alone.
Right. Oh, there it is. Okay. Here we go. Oh no. Don't tell me it's reversing now.
And now we wait. It's like a little. I got out maybe within the same candle. Got my little $8.
Oh, you did?
I'm out of here. Getting to Starbucks.
Nice. Okay. Come on. Is it really reversing again?
I might pop like my Adderalls and play Stellaris today.
Play Stellaris.
Just like I need like a magnetism game.
Nice. Sounds fun.
And it's multiplayer. I don't know how this would be multiplayer though. It's like a Civ, like Civ 6. Oh shit. Is it reversing? Should it be sad?
I don't know.
Did I change my tone? Change who I am for you?
I'm just like trying to see what the hell's going on here. Like it doesn't. It looks like it's trying to go down right now. But
brackish waters.
Okay. All right, now we're seeing something. Okay, cool. There we go. Just needs to break here. What the fuck? The fuck was that?
Yeah, that was out of nowhere.
It was literally over here and it just. Oh my god. I don't know what's happening, man. Like, this keeps happening every day. I think that was literally the fucking confirmation. It's just reversing. It was literally all the way here and then it just completely reversed in like a second. Like, I don't understand that.
Yeah, it was fast. It was a fast move. Ruh-roh, Raggy.
So now I'm not sure if it's liquidating here or we're pulling reversal back because it could just be one red candle and then go all the way back up again. Because it looks like the MACD is reversing. And it's just not fun. Okay, come on. Like, I don't understand how that could have been the freaking move, bro.
That wasn't confirmation, was it? What was the lower level?
It was whatever the fuck this is. 131.04. I mean, pretty much we're still, well, we were in confirmation for 2 bars for 5-minute candle. So I think right now it looks like it's just retracing to the 20, and it like wants to give back down, but I'm not fucking sure. I'm just like, okay, breaking the VWAP. Okay, this is a good candle here. Could be this, could be a double top. Let's hope it doesn't pull a whole fucking same thing again and just start supporting on these weird bars. Okay, we're seeing some movement. Oh, come on, what is this, bro? Like, was my entry bad? I don't understand.
Just looking at it now. Ooh.
It's fucking reversing, bro. Oh my god. Okay. Touch the 60. It's doing it again. I'm really not understanding that.
It's going on a bullish run. That might have been the micro move already. Just no time to like sit on it. Jesus. It was just one big candle down.
Okay. Then it's time to get out, probably. Like, it keeps doing it here. making a wick up and then a wick down. Now it looks like it's trying to break again.
Trying to break call levels or
No,
put one again?
the put, yeah. Like, see, like it made a huge wick up to the 200,
It was straddling it.
And then now it's breaking levels again. It's going towards the VWAP.
Jesus.
But I think the MACD is reversing. I can see the bars kind of getting lower, which is a good sign. And it's not able to reclaim back up here. Okay. This is good. Second video was only able to give so much going that towards the upside. But it needs to break over here. Come on. Literally, where are these people coming from? Is it starting to get tight for a breakdown? Yep, okay. Come on, don't test. I mean, don't support. Just need that breakout here. Keep supporting on the VWAP. It's getting tight. Come on. Honestly, I think I executed too late.
Too late in that one. But what would have been like the right time earlier? At what point?
I mean,
that
I think, yeah, I mean,
candles where we kind of knew.
Yeah. I mean, if I wanted to, I could have executed like right when it was breaking down again and then got out here or around here because I would have been up through these candles here. But
wait, do it again because I wasn't looking.
This big candle, if I got in here while I saw it breaking down, like I could have gotten out around here, or at least I'd had 3 candles to get out right here in 3 minutes.
And where did you get it? Like at the bottom of the big candle?
Yeah, that was a big mistake.
I mean, but that big candle was where it broke the 131.04, dude.
Yeah, exactly. And what I'm saying is like you can execute trades like that like very easily if you can do it quickly, but I got it at the bottom instead of.
That's not within like the principles that you've like outlined, where we
Right,
wait
right.
for confirmation in second candle at least.
Right.
So no, you couldn't have done that. Like, or at least you would have had to like break the rule and then known that you're assuming that you wouldn't have like thought that as soon as that candle finished, you wouldn't have assumed it was going to keep going down.
That's true.
I mean,
there's ways of doing that because it's something that
the
Alpha has talked about. Like because he's so experienced, like he can do that very very quickly because he can see the volatility and how much like how big the candles are. You know what I'm saying? But like that wasn't the time to do it. Like again, the timing was just off. I mean, at least you made $8. Execution was off for me again. But I think we're downtrending right now, so we'll see where this goes. Just this just needs to do something. Needs to stop supporting and freaking resisting. So far right now, I see a little mini double top, and then we need that breakdown. It already broke the VWAP. 5 minute is looking kind of good. Some sudden volatility. What is going on? It just keeps doing the same thing. Like MACD is reversing. I think people are just trying to get some type of liquidity or something because it's like keep getting these random candles of it jumping and then it starts breaking down and breaking down, and then the MACD is getting, well, it was getting lower, now it looks like it's growing a little bit again. I'm just waiting for a better position to get out here, which is something that I didn't want to be doing. Okay. There we go. Can we not support this again? Can we continue to break down?
Still loitering there.
Yeah.
Might be going down.
That's what it's looking like. But every time it touches here, it keeps getting like, what's the word? It's being like resisted. Like it starts fighting. The candle starts fighting to go down. But we might see the breakdown here. See, every time. Just keeps touching, touching, and touching. MACD is like diminishing. It's dwindling out.
What does that tell us?
That tells us that it's going towards the other. Like sellers are starting to come in because it was on the green, like the MACD volume bars, and now it's just turned red. So I think more sellers are starting to come in. So it's already breaking. There we go. And then it's doing it again here. Oh my god, what the fuck is this? I don't understand, man. Keeps doing the thing where it's breaking down and then comes back up and then breaks down and comes back up. So I think it's like starting to trade a little bit just sideways, but
Seems like it.
see something here. Could be a bear flag. Like, okay, right there, like it literally was right here, and then it just suddenly jumps up. Like, it's just weird.
Man, yeah, it's doing its thing now, bro. You know, there's no reading this. I've given up. What is this? I don't know.
I'm just like, this is. Like, am I just not waiting long enough? I think I'm not waiting long enough, like in the beginning for market open.
That's why I said, and you said no, bro. That's why I was like, I like Joshua's his app's like 50-minute little blocker.
Yeah. I just know sometimes it doesn't always happen that way. But
sometimes we get lucky is all, I think. But this is
okay. Something's happening now.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's not. Okay, there we go. We're getting a breakdown. Cool. Oh my god. Now we're getting somewhere.
Let me see this.
I think right here is probably where it would have been the actual move if it does continue to go downward. It would have been a better entry if it confirms. You know what I'm saying?
Is that 131.04? Oh wait, it already passed it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like waiting, like if this continues to go downwards and it, like I think this would have been the proper move. So
yeah, that's what I was saying. But then you were like, no, the alpha trader says there's a way to get in on like those single sticks because of volatility and volume or something.
I mean, and it is true. Like you can do that, but that's only if you know. Like if you really, really are good at executing.
Man, I don't even think I believe that. I feel like that's just talking out both sides.
That's how people trade futures, bro.
Not on the 1 minute, like.
On the 1 minute.
On the minute by minute, really?
Yeah.
No, I'm believing less, bro.
Oh my god.
I feel like I can't even think of an analogy. Let me see. Yes, it looks like it's breaking down though.
Mm-hmm. This is good.
Pretty nice.
This is good. It's a good breakdown here. Yeah, that would have been a good entry point on that top of that third candle if I had gotten in at the correct time. But if it's breaking down now, we might get a good breakdown. So let's see what happens. Hopefully we break that 129.82 for further breakdown. And today didn't really get a lot of viewers, but all right, note to self. I'm gonna go back to doing what we do. If that's
I like your interface, your desktop interface.
Oh, thanks, bro. What, for a Weeble?
It's better than mine. Yeah.
I mean, I don't know why it would look any different.
I mean, you got the little colored like boxes with the numbers on the side.
This?
Yeah, that's basically the whole thing that I was liking.
Oh.
You get your P&L on the bottom. Okay. Yeah. And what's that? Like the one that you're holding? Is that in the mini box right there?
The what?
Yeah, it is.
What happened? What?
No, I was just reading out like what I was saying in your interface. Man, is it bouncing back?
It could just be doing a small retracement before it downtrends. That's what could be happening. Why is it reading what I'm fucking saying?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, we're all right. Maybe.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green candles.
Damn.
Right
Yeah.
after our
It's
4
just
reds.
going all the way back up. That's such fucking bullshit, bro. Didn't reclaim all the way up. There's a small little downtrend. MACD. Looks like it's reversing again. Bro. That's just so fucking ridiculous. Oh, great. Alright, it's just fucking breaking out upwards.
It's going to the moon. Oh, Jesus. Jesus Christ.
Yep. Ridiculous, bro. Fucking ridiculous. Oh my god.
Fucking A.
What the fuck, dude?
It's still going up. Damn.
I know I got out already just now, but like, holy shit, what the fuck? Oh, this was the double top. Cool. The big picture double top. Oh my god.
Pre-market double top. Like where the first top isn't in pre.
I mean, sorry, double bottom. My bad.
Mm.
Fuck is that, man? I'm at 7K now, bro. Like, I don't fucking understand what the hell. Like, I'm back at square one again. No, actually, it's worse.
Free square.
Fucking god.
I'm reading about. Hold on.
This is just crazy. Like, I don't know why suddenly I'm getting fucked here. I was doing really, really well, and now I'm not doing really well. Approach level. What are you reading about?
Stonks. Or stonks.
Even Alpha said that was the move.
The low one? What did he say about it?
That big
The
candle.
first big
that big
drop or the
candle.
second?
He just said it fell
What did he
off
say?
131.05 to 129.82, $1 plus, which gives you a nice 15 to 30%. Trying to reclaim the trend now, but needs to break the 60 EMA, which it already did.
So what is he talking about? Like, how would people have gotten into the beginning of that candle, that Kindle?
Because if you had gotten, like, okay, so it showed you right here that it downtrended again. You had a big confirmation with this candle. So, like, if you had gotten anywhere in around here, it dropped down a whole dollar. So even if it had gone up here or here, you had plenty, because it went back down here. Like, these wicks show how much they kept staying down in this area. So you had plenty of a chance to get out after that big entry before it just like completely reversed.
And that's saying if you got in where?
Like near this candle right here while it was just breaking down, because the volatility was so huge, like it kept dropping. If that makes sense. Okay, well, I have another entry right now because it's falling off. If you can see it.
Right now? Like where it's trending now?
Mm-hmm. I said I have another entry right now, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, fuck. That's not
Oh,
it.
you just went in?
Yeah. What the fuck?
You just inserted yourself?
I inserted myself, yes I did.
1 point. I say take your 350, bro. And boots.
350. MACD just reverse. Starts breaking lower. I will get out of this position right here. Okay.
Are you out yet?
No. It's like it's wanting to do this freaking further breakdown right here. But it's like doing something real. What the? Did it not go through? Oh, it didn't go
Was
through.
not executing?
It didn't execute.
Like to buy or sell?
To sell. Like it straight up just didn't execute.
No.
Okay.
Nar. You still in?
Yeah,
You holding on for dear life?
I'm trying to fucking execute.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, it's breaking down. There we go.
What are you doing?
Huh? What'd you say? There. Hello, hello. Hello.
Oh, it's breaking out like crazy.
Wait, can you hear me? Hello.
It's breaking down.
Can you hear me,
You
bro?
getting out? Staying in?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, I didn't know. I was
Yep.
talking for a bit. It didn't sound like you, because I didn't know you could hear me.
No, I couldn't hear you. I can hear you now.
Oh,
I didn't
that
hear
was weird.
anything you said until you said, "Can you hear me?"
That was weird.
What's up? Are you getting out? Are you still holding on?
Well, it looks like it just broke the level. I'm gonna, if I see it, like, bounce at all, like at any point, I'm getting out. I don't fucking care. I'm gonna watch my orders just in case too. only one of them? So, bro, what is happening? There we go. Okay. Alright, now I got out. It's breaking down further, but it's fine. I recovered some money back.
Nice.
Like
Let's see. What'd you get out with that time? I was like 750.
It was like 1,000. It's still breaking down more, but
nice.
Whatever. If it breaks at 129.95, then that would have been, and it just did. Nice. It would have been good to hold a little bit longer in this. Well, god damn, bro. Now I have to do it all over again. 4 red days in a row.
No, it's this is confirming my theory, bro, that it's random.
Oh my god.
I'm not even kidding. It feels very random at this point.
Wow, it's still breaking down.
Yeah, no.
I could have really,
no.
Could have really held on to that one. Damn. It's so annoying. Okay, whatever. Oh, this could be the reversal now. Well, yeah.
Road to negative 100K.
Yeah, 4 red days in a row is crazy because, like, if I go here, like, what the hell? I don't know what started happening, man. Like, look at this. And then suddenly everything really, really big losses. Like, what the fuck, man? I was up 17 grand profit. And I'm here again.
I'm sorry, I'm sending 30 texts.
I know you're good. This is not fun. And it's still breaking down here. Okay, tomorrow's the last day. Yeah, it's just still breaking down.
Get back in. Fucking load.
Alright, I mean, if you say.
How about the mag? Put in a fresh one.
If you say so. If you say so, Ewick.
Oh, you didn't tell me the market cap was 3.18 T, bro.
Huh? Yeah.
Changes things.
Yeah, I think that was it right here. Yeah, that would have been the correct move. All the way over here. Didn't break now. Okay. Well, it's gonna
big
be
L today.
Yeah, again.
Cumulative L today.
That's 4 days red. Not fun. I'm not giving up. It's hard, you know. It's not an easy thing to do, to be able to make money like this, you know. Continue to make mistakes, and that's always going to be bound to happen. You know what I mean?
Also did read that it's like you get an edge with these like trading principles of waiting for confirmation and like learning how to read levels. You get an edge of like 2%, right? So over like sheer volume of trading, if you have like a 52%, a little better than a coin flip, just for reasons of having that 2% edge, over time, over in the long run, you'll be profitable.
Yeah.
But yeah, that'll come with lost days, I guess.
Yeah, and it's also,
I don't know how much I believe that, but that's what I was reading.
yeah.
But it's it's profitable if you're disciplined.
That's what I was gonna say. Like, it all depends on the factors of like if you get in the right execution, you minimize your losses by having really good tight mental stop losses, which I don't have. That's probably something I need to start doing. It's a lot.
But even then, like there'll be L days, it gives you like a small percentage of an edge because it is random in the day.
Oh my god. I mean, yeah, like I said, it's all about how you execute everything on time. Like the orders, the timing, the correct confirmation, like what's it called? Minimizing your losses when you do have losses, or when you know that it's going to be going into a loss. You know what I mean? Minimizing your what's the fucking word? Oh shit! Hold on.
Stop losses. We never use those.
Yeah. It's mostly just mental.
You know what? I got a feeling that we're gonna come back from this easy. Not easy, actually, but
yeah. I mean, it'll take time, but like, I've learned that like I know what to do, right? I have an edge of the fact that now I can get levels. I know how to execute the way that I'm supposed to. I think I keep putting it in the back of my head that like I need to make a big profit, and then I also keep putting in the back of my head that like, oh my god, like I'm down so much, I might get down again. Like I keep putting a bad mentality, which causes me to make rash decisions, like getting in at the bottom of this candle when I knew that I should have gotten in at the top of this, and I could have just made a quick execution because I knew I could have done it, right?
That first big candle, no, you couldn't have.
Not this big one right here. But the thing is, that's what Alpha was saying was the move.
The first big one.
That was the move, and he's explained to me that like he does that because he knows when to execute, and sometimes that's all that the market is gonna give. Like, and he.
Yeah, what a goddamn liar! That feels like a lie.
Well, bro, he's he's a millionaire, bro. Like,
I'm starting to not believe that, bro.
Oh my god.
Get out.
And there's plenty of people that do that when they day trade. They do it on big candles because they know how to execute it and just get out when they need to, because they have large amounts of money. So any small tiny move will get them a lot of money. That's what I'm saying. Which is why like the amount of contracts that I was buying, whatever move that this made, at any point, like if I wasn't greedy, I could have come out with a couple $1,000, like easy, right? Because I had 350 contracts, and then I would have been done for the day, right? I didn't have to wait for all of this or be stuck. And so now, if I wanted to wait, right, which is totally valid too, and which is usually what I should be doing all the time, for the proper execution. Like I could have gotten in here, gotten out at the bottom of this candle if I didn't get greedy and I saw a reversal. Could have gotten in here, right, on this candle because it did do a big drop here, and I would have been more than enough of a move because it would have been like 4 or 5 candles down. And if anything, I could have left some runners because it didn't reclaim everything all the way back at the top, so it could have kept going, right? Like, and those are things I need to keep telling myself, but I keep fucking up because in my head I think I have it in the back of my mind like, oh my god, like I'm so down, like I need to recover everything quick, and it causes me to do rash decisions or second guess myself. Like I second guess myself on this candle. I could have probably done it, executed it, and been fine. but I can't second guess myself. Like I have to be disciplined, but I also can't second guess, right? And if I second guess myself, then it's too late. Like I shouldn't even try to attempt that move and just wait for a better one. Does that? What do you think?
It makes. Yeah, I'm just struggling with the concept of day trading right now. But of course, yeah, it's like you need to balance your like confidence in your own decisions with like due diligence and sticking to the principles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I've done it. I've done it before. I've gone 2 weeks like green, right? And I mean the market was giving a lot at that moment, but I was also doing proper executions, and it wasn't as volatile. I mean, when it was volatile, right? Like I waited longer like than I do now, right? Like, and if I had to wait 2 hours, I waited 2 hours to get the correct move, and I'm not doing that anymore. Like before, and even if it was like I never did it like on big candles, but when there was a big candle, usually there was another candle closing going towards the same direction, right? And this one that like didn't happen. However, like again, like if I hadn't second guessed myself, like and then bought at the bottom, I would have been fine. I also would have been fine if I didn't get in at all. If I did once I second guessed myself, but you know,
yeah,
that was where the issue was. So it's like a lot of stuff that I need to learn, and it's gonna be fucking tough to get back up there again. But I'm gonna just have to do short moves, stay in the green, because now I have significantly less money. So just gonna stick to like 100, 200 contracts when the confirmation happens, and then please, 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 if I say I'm gonna let you know, like if I am about to buy a move, like don't be afraid to keep saying something over and over again, like hold up, like before you do, like let's double check everything, like the charts and the confirmation, blah blah blah, like the volatility, all that stuff.
Yeah, well, I think the reason I don't is because I deep down don't actually believe it's like knowable.
It's no. What do you mean?
Knowable, like yeah, you could. It's all interpretation. It's all like yeah, we'll argue this way or that way. I'm not even kidding. So that's why I'm like, maybe you see something I don't, but I know that. Yeah, that's probably why.
I don't know. I mean, it does work. You know what I mean? Like it breaks those levels, and then it has a continuation for a bit, and it gives you more than enough to make any profit on any of these bars. You know what I mean? So what I'm saying is just like as a reminder of like for the rules that I have, like because sometimes I just don't follow them because I what's it called again in my head I'm like I need to make money instead of like if I don't follow the rules, like I'm definitely not gonna make money because that's what the only thing that was working for me when I stuck to everything like to a T.
Mm-hmm.
But because I'm not sticking to every single thing from every single mistake that I've made like to a T, like I'm starting to go back to the beginning again.
Jesus. Well, tomorrow's another chance to stick to it then.
Yeah, last chance tomorrow. So, like, you already know.
Hello.
Yep. All right. Can you hear me?
Yeah, there. Moving up.
All right. Well, you already know, man. Like, just help me a little bit, like, if you can, if you remember.
Yeah, my advice is always going to be don't get in. Basically.
All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. We'll be back here tomorrow, same time.
Beautiful. Later.
Later.
Later, gang.